All right, good morning, boys. What is up? Today is Friday, November 14th. Made around $3,000 across all my accounts. Unfortunately, I didn't get to trade my actual live account today just because I deadass forgot to execute on it. I woke up in a rush. You can see right here, made around however much this is, 590 across 5 accounts. I don't know why the computer disconnected, so I had to manually enter on 2 of them. But yeah, overall, pretty good trading day. I'm going to go over the trade I took right now and why I honestly thought today was simple. So coming to market open, I was honestly extremely bearish. I thought, all right, price is in a clear downtrend on the daily. I don't really care much for this daily bullish SMT. I do think ES still wanted to take that out just because it is a weekly low as well. It is previous week's low. That is a very strong draw of liquidity. So I figured maybe ES wants to take it out as well. And we also have these lows on Nasdaq that I see potential for getting taken out. Now, pre-market, what do I see? We take a look here on the hourly time frame. Right, you guys know how my model works. High time frame PD rate being respected, intermediate time frame PD rate being respected, and then low time frame entry model. Right, what do I see? So, coming into market open, it's this high. Sorry, it's the high. Right, you can see here, you have this high on Nasdaq, correct? This is our hourly gap. Now, what does ES do? ES takes it out, right? So ES taps into an hourly gap right here. You can see. Well, Nasdaq fails to. What does that do? That is a breakaway gap, meaning in theory we should not tap back into this gap until price pushes lower. I've literally entered off breakaway gaps the last 3 trading days, and I've been telling you guys the market is bearish like this. You can enter off any retrace, and what do I see? SMTs at these highs. So I'm going to treat this as if we tapped into this hourly gap. From there, we have a change in state in delivery. I don't know why it's not working. Sorry here. Change in state in delivery that we respect. We have a bearish order block. We tap into all of these and close lower. At 9:30, when we close, I enter in short, targeting these lows. Very simple trading day, pretty effective. Simple take profit. Right, not much to it. If I make more than this, consistency gets messed up. So obviously I took profit a little early, like here, right? Still a great trading day, very simple, very easy. Now, from there, what else did I think was valid? Honestly, I didn't like longs. Because the only valid entry, you guys know how I trade to internal liquidity, and you're trading inside a bearish hourly gap, inside what is now about to be a bearish 4-hour gap, bearish 15-minute. So I didn't see longs. I didn't see that vision. Obviously, they ripped and they played out, so congratulations to anyone who took them. I personally just didn't see them, and I'm okay with that. That's how I trade, right? What I saw was shorts to the downside, and I still made money. I do wish I traded my live account. I would have made a lot more money, and obviously, real money and prop firm money are very different, so it would have been a lot nicer, but nothing we can do about it. We are basically break even on the live account. On the last week we've been trading it. Little upset because we did miss out on 3 trading days with Webull. Obviously, they didn't actually let me trade for 3 days because I didn't verify my bank. So that account should honestly be up a lot more than it really is. But if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me. I will be here to answer. I hope you guys have a blessed day. Free Discord is in bio for anyone who's interested in that. I have some prop firm guides about how to scale prop firms, how to do all of that for free in the Discord for you guys. So if you guys want to join the free Discord, feel free, go ahead. I will leave you guys to it. Have a blessed weekend, and I'll see you boys tomorrow. Peace out.